FRITZ! Box router. Quick guide. Setup, access, configuration and logs. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you a quick and complete guide to your fritz! Box router. Setup, access, configuration and logs. Let's start.
fritz.box, set up, unbox and connect. Plug in the power adapter, connect the WAN/DSL cable and turn on the router. Connect to router. Join the default Wi-Fi shown on the router label or use an Ethernet cable. Accessing the interface. Open browser. Open Chrome and type fritz.box. Lalone. Enter the password printed on the router label. Basic configuration. Internet setup. Go to Internet, account information, and save your ISP details. Change Wi-Fi name. Go to Wi-Fi, radio network, and set a new SSID. Change password. Go to Wi-Fi, security, and set a strong password. Device management. Go to Home Network, Network, to view and manage connected devices.
Advanced settings, optional. Port forwarding, Internet, permit access, port sharing. Guest Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, guest access enable. Parental controls, Internet, filters to set limits or block sites. Checking system logs. Open system menu. Click system, events. Filter logs, view all events, Internet, Wi-Fi, system or telephone. Refresh, click refresh for the latest activity. And that's your quick fritz.box guide. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.